So what looks different about this Hurricane 35M? It's pretty easy to spot this beautiful new decor. It's called Charcoal Diamond. The cabinets are called Coastline Gray. There are a lot of great features in here, and we're going to show them all to you. From this angle, we have a nice view of your seating options. The 35M has a dream dinette. You're going to have spacious seating, you're going to find storage underneath, and it makes into a bed. Here's a closer look at the sofa. Now, this is an expanding sofa bed, so it's going to be roomy and comfortable whether you're here day or night. This great campsite kitchen has what you want: solid surface countertops and covers for the double bowl sink. There's your 3-burner gas cooktop with oven in the back. You're going to appreciate the storage you have here below the sink. We have more cabinets up above. This is your microwave. You also have a residential refrigerator, and just behind it, here's your TV when you want some entertainment, and the electric fireplace when you want some mood lighting. The 35M is a bath and a half model. This is the half bath setup you're going to find at midship. Walking into the bedroom, where you're going to find a large king bed, and I want to point out on the nightstand you are going to find every kind of charging port you could need. This is a very large wardrobe. These straps you see here in the back are for the pedestal table. We're going to show you that in a few seconds. The 35M also has washer and dryer prep. You'll find a very roomy master bath in the back of the 35M, and it's all here for you. You have privacy, storage, a wonderful shower with glass door and skylight. Here's that pedestal table that stows away in the closet we just showed you. It works great with these swivel captain seats, which is where you get to enjoy the new dash. You have steering wheel controls just over here to the right, your 10-inch dash radio, you have Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The drive in the 35M has really improved. You have a new V8. It's laying down 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Stepping out to enjoy your time away, you'll appreciate the power awning, the large storage bays, even an exterior propane connection. The 35M is also the biggest Hurricane in the lineup, and you can find all the features and specs at thormotorcoach.com.